Well, hello! I'm Price Anderson, sales representative with Bose & Cox Limited Brokerage in beautiful downtown Peterborough. Welcome to Let's Talk Real Estate for a Minute, Open House Edition. Today, we've got some fabulous open houses lined up for this weekend, hosted by your Bose & Cox team. Starting with 237 Lorne Court in Peterborough, offered at $464,900. This is a lovely updated bungalow in the north end of Peterborough. This home features 3 bedrooms on the main level, a large master bedroom with ensuite, large bright living room and kitchen. This property is open Saturday and Sunday from 1 to 3. Next up is 2197 Kawartha Heights Boulevard at $499,900. This is a West End 4-level side split on a large lot. You can enjoy this 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom home in Peterborough's West End. Updates are throughout the home and they include the kitchen and bathrooms. This is open from 1 till 3, again, Saturday and Sunday. 105 Milroy Drive in Peterborough is now priced at $510,000. You don't want to miss this 3+2 bedroom home that has everything you want. It's got a bright open concept, a living dining room, kitchen with gas fireplace, hardwood floors, and walk out to a large deck and French yards. It's got 3 large bedrooms with a master bedroom offering a walk-in closet and an ensuite, and that's just the main level. This property is open Saturday and Sunday from 1 till 3. Come on out and see, and there is a link to a video for this property in the comments below. 826 Cottingham Road in Kawartha Lakes is offered at $609,900. This property is in Kawartha Lakes but is minutes from Peterborough. It's a completely renovated 3-bedroom, 2.5-bath home in a premier location, just west of the city on a stunning 1-acre lot surrounded on 3 sides by fields. There hasn't been any expense spared in this home, including quartz, granite, new flooring, and whitewashed shiplap walls. It's got a finished rec room in the lower level. Come on out and see this Saturday from noon till 2. Moving out of town is 165 Oliver Road in Campbellford, offered at $319,900. This is an immaculate 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom family home. It's updated throughout. This home will surely impress. It's got a large master bedroom, a detached garage, a double paved drive, and a landscaped lot. You can see it on Sunday from 1 till 3. In the Apsley area, we have 118 Hemlock Point Road at $575,000. This cottage has 3 bedrooms and 2 full bathrooms. It's got 93 feet of walk-in shoreline. It's got a great floor plan, lots of room with 1,500 square feet, and it's got a huge deck for entertaining. You can see this property on Sunday, May the 6th from 2 to 4 p.m. Also, in the Apsley area, we have 238 Bayshore Road at $699,000. This is an investment opportunity on Chandos Lake. It's got a south-facing lot with 105 feet of sandy walk-in shoreline. The cottage exterior features castle stone, copper lights, large windows and doors, clay tile roof, and a large south-facing covered deck. This is open on Saturday from noon till 2. I hope you'll come out and take a look at some of these properties. I'll leave links to the property descriptions and maps in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Have a great weekend. Bye now.